Hi, this is our team's presentation of our final report for cloud software development. We built a cloud-based student marketplace called Scrappy's List, where KSU students can create accounts, post listings, message sellers, and leave reviews. We'll walk you through the application and highlight our two key cloud implementations: a REST API backend deployed on AWS Elastic Beanstalk, and a cloud-hosted Postgres database on Amazon RDS. Here's how our system is structured. Our front end is a React application built with Fight and React Router, handling routing across the feed, listing creation, messaging, user profiles, and more. Our backend is a Spring Boot REST API with over 27 endpoints, covering authentication, listings, conversations, messages, and reviews. It's deployed on AWS Elastic Beanstalk in the US East 1 region. The backend connects to a PostgreSQL database hosted on Amazon RDS, which stores all users, listings, and messages and reviews. The front end communicates with the back end entirely through REST. No server-side rendering, no sessions. Authentication uses HTTP basic auth on each request. Now let me walk through the listing creation flow end to end. First, I'll log in with the seller account. Now, I'll go to create post. Sellers fill in a title, description, price, meeting location, and availability status. When I hit create post, the front end sends a post request to API posts on our Elastic Beanstalk backend with the seller's credentials and the authorization header. The backend validates the request and writes to our new listing to our RDS database. Now on the feed, the new listing appears at the top. The front end fetched that from the get API post call, which returns listings ordered by creation time. Beyond listings, our marketplace has a few other features worth showing. From a listing detail page, a buyer can open a conversation with the seller directly. Messages are sent through post API messages conversation and retrieved with a get on the same route. Each user also has a public profile page showing their active listings and reviews from the past transactions. Ratings go through the post and are tied to a completed conversation. Sellers can manage their own listings here. Editing status between available, pending, and sold, or deleting listings they no longer want. All these features talk to the backend REST API with protected routes requiring authentication and public routes open for browsing. To summarize, Scrappy's List is a fully cloud-hosted student marketplace. Our REST API runs on AWS Elastic Beanstalk. Our data lives in Amazon RDS, and every feature, listings, messaging, reviews, is backed by cloud infrastructure. Thanks for watching.